So if you open the options analyzer, pick by today's close, 316.28. So the first thing I do is put in 316.28. So let me get right to there. This is all I did, 316.28, Thursday's close. Next thing I do is I put in my yellow. This is exactly for tomorrow. So this will stay through tonight and through tomorrow. So I put in 317.22 to 315.35. So I will put in the box 17.22. And I will guarantee you tomorrow this is where the price is going to be. 315.35. Make it yellow. I'll match it in color. And I'm going to label the price action. I'll spelled out so I know how I got here. It's wave 7, 50 bar counts, 60-minute intervals. I'll label the top. This guy is 317.22, 60 minutes, 50 bar count, 50 days. I'll put in 50 days. All right, so this kick starts it. So right now, see how we look at our bars? It's almost guaranteed that we're going to be touching that yellow one way or another. We have this bar above, this one below, this one below. So out of all these, only 3 of them not come in contact with that area. That means tomorrow it's like a 99 point whatever % chance of touching that area one way or another. If like today we're down here, here was our risk. See, I put that green line on the top of this bar. I took the price, 313.43, and it's kind of like, so why is that important? So this is exactly what I did for today. And that's what ended up being this line here. This line is the same thing as that 313.43. And then this is what I did. I in the option, I was like, we need to, whatever it was. I was like, we need to obey this line and be above it. So the only cause for concern was that first dot. The reason is the past, if we open here, we could not get through that line. It went down. So I was just copying what the market does. That means tomorrow, if we open here and I get this through this line, then we go down. Otherwise, we go up. So I don't know how many times people have been tricked. I think Excalibur's mentioning this. He goes, man, in the old days, before I was using fractals and all this stuff, if we opened here, I would get puts. Now with this, we know better. Like, no, we don't get puts. We go call side unless we cannot get through this line, because the market is showing us here that, we kind of have to give that a little leeway. But so tomorrow, once again, if we're down in here, looking to touch yellow, so we're looking for call side. It tells me a couple things. One is since these are all 60-minute bars, it tells me, oh, it took 60 minutes to get to yellow. That makes sense. This one didn't quite get to yellow. This is underneath because each one of those bars took 60 minutes to form.
So pretty much we'll be back in the yellow zone within the hour.
Got it.
Crazy.
So that's expectations. I'm like, oh man, guess what? So here we got, so this morning got to yellow zone within the hour.
Oh.
Here we got to yellow zone. It was 10:30, roughly. So we almost, I don't go the high low, but it was right about an hour. Yeah, when we first almost touched it.
Ooh, that is awesome.
Yeah, it's very simple. Makes a lot of sense. Gives you a really high confidence level.